In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user in ERPNext, whether you're setting up a new employee or giving a team member access to a new area. Adding users is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by navigating our way through the ERPNext interface. First, go to the Users section. You can find this by going to your home page, then selecting Users, and finally clicking on User. This navigation path is essential as it leads you to the hub where all existing users are managed and new ones are created. Once you're in the Users section, the next step is to click on the New button. You'll find this conveniently located at the top right of your screen. Clicking this is crucial as it opens up the form where you'll enter the new user details. Now, let's move on to filling in the user details. Here, you'll need to input the email address of the new user. It's important to note that this email address is required and will serve as the user's login credential. In addition to the email, fill in the first and last name of the user. This helps in identifying the user efficiently within the system. You also have an option to send a welcome email. Checking this option will send the user their login credentials via email, streamlining the onboarding process. There's no need for you to manually set up a password, as ERPNext takes care of this by sending a secure login link directly to the user's email. Next, it's time to assign roles to your new user. In the Roles section, click on Add Row, and you can assign various roles based on what access the user needs. For instance, you could assign them roles such as Accounts User, Sales Manager, or Employee, among others. Remember, each role you assign dictates the modules and doc types the user has access to, so choose accordingly to avoid any unintended access. Once you've carefully filled out all the necessary information and assigned the appropriate roles, the final step is to save the user. It's as simple as that. Once you hit Save, ERPNext will automatically create a user profile for the new person. As a bonus, the user can independently reset their password using the link that ERPNext sends to their email, making the transition into the platform seamless and secure. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully added a new user to ERPNext. This process not only enhances your team's productivity by providing necessary access, but also maintains security and organization within your system. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.